Today's video is about matching your video content to where your prospect is in the sales funnel. So let's start at the beginning. In the awareness stage, your potential customer knows that they have a problem and they're starting to search for solutions that can best solve that problem. During this stage, you should have general content for people to find easily. It's often less targeted content, meaning that the information they find doesn't need to be super specific. Videos that work well here are overview videos, walkthrough videos, event videos, and introduction videos. Next is the consideration stage. During this stage, potential customers are searching for answers to the specific problems they're facing. These people want to know exactly how your product or service can help them. During the consideration stage, you should have content that's focused on a single subject rather than being too general. Videos that work great during this stage are educational videos, features and benefits videos, testimonial videos, and how-to videos. The decision stage is next. This is when you can close a sale or encourage action. They're ready to buy, but that doesn't guarantee that they'll buy from you. So you need to show exactly why you're better than your competition. You can create sales videos, lead magnet videos, or product and service example videos to really showcase your service in action and contrast it against your competition. You'll want to use a strong call to action to have someone take the action that you want at the end. And finally, the delight stage comes after a person has made a qualified purchase from you. It's far more comfortable and less expensive to keep a current client and also upgrade that customer than to acquire a new one. Do your best to nurture the relationship you just created to bring people back for more. Video content that works well here includes thank you follow-up videos, product update videos, and instructional videos. For even more detailed info on this, click below to get our definitive guide to video marketing for small businesses. Thanks for watching.